what's up, what's up, what's up? I'm here again with another video. Guess what, people? Guess what? You see me in my t-shirt? Yeah, I just done do 5K run and walk. Yes, yeah, the people them, yeah, my people them, I see them here. Yeah, the whole I would just do a 5K run. You know what I said? Guess what? Good girl, good, hey, we are type of people, you know, in a Jamaica. You see, when it comes to charity, we're all up in it. If people can march for the bad, why we can't march for the good? But guess what this video is about today? As we're down at the nice river in Jamaica. Yeah. Wanna see how the water stay? Yeah. Beautiful with beautiful island. Bagwalk, Linstead, True Juice, 5K run. Yeah. So guess what we're gonna talk about today? We're gonna talk about the things them where the men them use for enhance them sex life, right? In a Jamaica. We're gonna talk about the natural things them and we're gonna talk about the artificial things them. So you know say Jamaican men them, the woman them say them a bedroom bully, but the man them say them a bigger bedroom bully. So guess what? We're gonna talk about all of them things there. So my friend, yeah, so what am my friend here? Yeah. What you use for enhance your sex life? Natural things where you use for enhance your sex life.
Yeah, and get the peanut punch them with the okra them. You use them to eat up them steamed fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, mate, don't get none of the dolly them when I cook food in a youth.
All
you need some wife material. Like all the one here, wife material.
Alright. Good friend. Yes, and she know the things them of enhance the man them sex life, you know. Yeah, them tell about strong back, okra mixed with what you call it? Okra mixed with the oats. Yeah, okra mixed with the oats. Yeah, them say them something they are strong back. Where you use for strong up your back, my friend?
Me?
For going out the bedroom.
Yeah, I'm going out the bedroom strong. I'm come naturally.
Oh, my friend, say you have to come.
Good food and exercise, that's all I have to do.
Alright, so you see what we are going with in a Jamaica. So guess what, people? There are things where the man them use for enhance. You get me? For make them sex life good for no say yeah, them a bedroom bully. You get me? And not only that, we use things like chini roots. Right, a chini roots. We call it baba roots and them something there. You know how Jamaicans stay. Yeah, saucy perilla and them something there. So the culture is vast, and when you go into the culture, you see a lot of things. You get me? So the man them in Jamaica, there's a way for them to stay strong, and them know how to stay strong. But you know that we not only have the natural things, them, you know, we have the artificial things. Them. We have like pills, like the blue pill, what you call the blue pill, yeah. But that is global, and you have things like artificial things. People will go to doctor and doctor will prescribe. But we as Jamaican men don't take artificial things. We know how to use the natural something them to know say yeah, we can do it. Not we. Them can do them things. Now so you go, my friend.
Oh yes,
tell them say we not have to use nothing artificial because black man we here, we are African. Them are African.
We have the Usain Bolt jeans, you know. Some yellow yam and banana and them things. Natural thing, the coconut water, you know. Make sure the youth them have to exercise, you know.
We go out with ourselves proper.
But differently still. When you have hot cocky can't go, so you need more than one girl to exercise the thing, you see.
Jesus! But you know, some culture would have like it, you know, because you know, so the Africans, they with them are 4 wives, you know. But anyway, peace out for this video. And me I show you all the things that you see how we look nice at Jamaica. You see how we look nice. Look at the water. Look at everything. Look at the surrounding people. And look at my badge, people. Look at my badge. Look at this. Look at this. Yes, I just run for charity. And let me tell you something, people. One thing, may I tell you? We in a Jamaica with big pandemic somewhere. So guess what? Bless up on yourself until next time. Take care of your good clean self.